What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day in Tame Life. Today I am graced with the presence of the Hong Kong hiking queen. She's taking me up to the outskirts of Sai Kung.
Hello, guys.
Hey, Miss Cho Chan, where are we at right now?
Actually, we're here.
Ah, there we go. Pat Tam Ao. We're now about an hour and a half in, and we're going to Hampton Beach, which, as you can tell, is already a very beautiful experience. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day in Tame Life. Today's adventure takes us to the outskirts of Sai Kung, to a remote beach. All my friends back home who don't know, Hong Kong has some of the most beautiful nature on earth. To enjoy your life, you must tame your life. And we have just hiked an hour and a half far away from the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong. One of the most beautiful beaches in this entire land. Go forth, have no fear. Seek that which inspires you. Connect to nature. Whew. And do your best every day to tame your life. What's up, guys? Checking in from a beach in Sai Kung. Hands down, one of my most favorite places to go enjoy nature when I'm in Hong Kong. We just hiked up with my good friend Joe, jumped into the sea, flew the drone, and we're hiking our way back. One of the things you must always remember is that in life, when you're feeling like you're a bit disconnected from yourself, a lot of the times it can be due to a lack of connection to nature. If there's one thing we always like reminding the Tame Life community of around the world, it is to stay nature inspired. When you're in nature, you see the trees, breathe the fresh air, your heart opens and it grounds you back to the same vibrations of the earth, which are just incredibly healthy and bring more happiness. So as I make my way out of this unbelievable hike, truly such a blessing to be here right now. It's perfect weather. The sun is starting to go beyond this mountain. I just swam in the sea with tropical fish, walked through the sand. I'm feeling earthed. I'm feeling like I'm just regrounded. And especially when we walk throughout our days through city, through streets, through traffic, through the trains, there's nothing like regrounding to the earth to get you back to your center. So as always, guys, find ways to connect back to your center. And sometimes it's best found by reconnecting to nature. On that note, you know what to do. To enjoy your life, you must tame your life.